Struggling to find the perfect heat press machine can be frustrating with so many options on the market. From size and heat distribution to ease of use, there's a lot to consider. We've done the hard work for you, testing numerous models to bring you the top 5 best heat press machines. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and help you understand what to consider when picking the best one for your needs. Stay tuned to discover the very best heat press machines on the market and make an informed decision with our expert insights. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5, Cricut EasyPress 2. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is a compact and effective heat transfer tool that combines the professional results of a heat press with the convenience of an iron. Available in a vibrant raspberry color, this model is designed to simplify the heat transfer process, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned crafters. The Cricut EasyPress 2 stands out with its adjustable time and temperature controls, reaching up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. This versatility handles diverse heat transfer projects effortlessly. Its integrated timer ensures precision for intricate designs, while the ceramic-coated heat plate provides even, consistent heating. Quick to heat up in under 2 minutes, it delivers professional results efficiently. Despite its capabilities, the machine is lightweight, weighing just 6.28 grams, which makes it easy to handle during use. The unit measures 16.93 inches in length, 15.16 inches in width, and 7.63 inches in height, providing a comfortable and manageable size for various crafting tasks. For added safety and convenience, this heat press machine comes with an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature, which helps prevent overheating and ensures a worry-free crafting experience. In summary, the Cricut EasyPress 2 offers a blend of professional performance and user-friendly features in a compact design. Its adjustable controls, fast heating, and safety features make it a top choice for versatile and precise heat transfers. Number 4, PowerPress Heat Press Machine. The PowerPress Heat Press Machine is a reliable and efficient tool designed for various heat transfer applications. Constructed from durable metal and finished in a sleek black color, this machine not only performs well, but also looks professional. Its dimensions of 23 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and 28 inches in height make it a compact yet powerful addition to any workspace. The Teflon-coated 15 by 15 inch heating plate ensures even heat distribution and prevents sticking, facilitating smooth design transfers. Operating at 110 volts and 1400 watts, the digital control board offers precise temperature, 32 to 455 degrees Fahrenheit, and time, 0 to 999 seconds control. The removable silicone mat is another practical feature. Unlike mats that are glued in place, this mat can be easily detached for cleaning or replacement, enhancing the machine's usability and maintenance. Additionally, the bottom handle is a thoughtful design element that facilitates the safe and easy opening of the heating plate, even when operating at high temperatures. Safety and accuracy are further enhanced by the patented design control chip, which ensures stable temperature control, making the machine more reliable and efficient. A replaceable fuse adds an extra layer of protection against overheating and electrical short circuits, safeguarding both the machine and the user. Weighing 39.7 pounds, the PowerPress Heat Press Machine is sturdy yet manageable, suitable for both professional and personal use. Overall, the combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features makes the PowerPress Heat Press Machine a valuable tool for anyone involved in heat transfer projects. Number 3, TUSY Heat Press Machine. The TUSY automatic heat press machine is designed to simplify heat transfer tasks, making it a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Measuring 20 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, this heat press features a sleek, black vinyl exterior. It operates with a voltage of 110 volts and a power output of 1400 watts. A key feature of this heat press is its ease of use. The auto press function allows users to insert the ironing board and start the machine with one button press, applying consistent pressure for even heat transfer, ideal for those with limited strength. The TUSY heat press is also designed with safety and convenience in mind. It includes an automatic lifting function that activates once the set time has elapsed, which means users do not need to monitor the machine constantly. Additionally, it features a 30-minute automatic shutdown function to prevent long-term heating damage or safety hazards in case the machine is left unattended. The press has a heating range from 0 to 240 degrees Celsius, 0 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, and a time-setting capability of 0 to 499 seconds. Aesthetic details include a unique home-style design with pearlescent crystals that create an iridescent effect under light, adding both functionality and visual appeal. With a product weight of 39.6 pounds, this heat press combines practical performance with a distinctive appearance. In summary, the TUSY automatic heat press machine offers convenience with its auto press function, safety features like automatic lifting and shutdown, and a stylish design. It's a solid choice for efficient, reliable heat transfer. Number 2, HTVRONT heat press machine. The HTVRONT auto heat press machine offers an efficient and user-friendly solution for heat pressing projects. Constructed from high-quality vinyl, this white heat press machine features dimensions of 20 inches in length by 12 inches in width by 16 inches in height, making it a versatile addition to any crafting setup. The HTVRONT auto heat press simplifies the process. Load your project, push the ironing board, press R, and the machine adjusts and releases automatically, ensuring ease of use and preventing burns. The heat press excels with its fast and even heating. It reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, in 4 minutes, twice as fast as regular presses, and saves 130 seconds to reach 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 degrees Celsius. NTC thermistor technology ensures consistent professional transfers. This heat press machine is designed to maximize productivity. It offers multiple practical modes, including 4 fast modes, 2 custom modes, and an auto mode, making heat transfers quicker and simpler. This machine is ideal for those looking to scale up their production, start a side hustle, or create professional quality crafts. Safety is a key focus of this auto heat press. The separation of the ironing board from the heating plate ensures safer usage around children and pets. The drawer slide design keeps hands away from the hot plate, and the machine automatically shuts off after 15 minutes of inactivity, providing peace of mind. In summary, the HTVRONT auto heat press machine is a reliable, efficient, and safe tool, perfect for enhancing productivity and achieving professional quality results in your heat pressing projects. Number 1, ProWorld TransPro Select. The ProWorld TransPro Select semi-auto heat press is a versatile tool designed for a variety of applications, including hats, t-shirts, mugs, mouse pads, handbags, plates, caps, pillows, and shoes. Crafted from durable ceramic and silicone materials, it comes in a stylish blue color. This heat press operates at 120 volts and features a clamshell design with a 16 by 20 inch floating platen and heating element, allowing for efficient and even heat distribution. One of the standout features of the TransPro Select is its easy-to-set central pressure adjustment, ensuring maximum pressure for all types of heat transfers, including computer-generated transfers and lettering materials. The heat press is built with a solid steel welded framework that boasts a scratch-resistant baked-on powder coat finish, enhancing its durability and longevity. The lower platen includes a slide-out drawer with a heavy-duty silicone rubber base pad, providing stability and ease of use. The control panel is user-friendly, displaying an automatic reset digital timer that can be set from 1 to 999 seconds, and a digital temperature readout that ranges from 0 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 232 degrees Celsius. The unit operates at 12.5 amperes on 120 volts, making it suitable for various professional and personal projects. In conclusion, the ProWorld TransPro Select Semi-Auto Heat Press combines versatility, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of heat transfer applications. In conclusion, each heat press machine reviewed offers distinct advantages suited to different crafting needs. The Cricut EasyPress 2 stands out for its compact design and precise controls, ideal for those seeking a versatile, user-friendly tool. The PowerPress impresses with its durability and advanced features, making it a solid choice for professional use. The TUSY combines convenience with a stylish design, catering to both hobbyists and professionals. The HTVRONT excels in speed and safety, enhancing productivity for ambitious projects. Lastly, the ProWorld TransPro offers versatility and robustness, suitable for a variety of applications. Choosing the right heat press depends on your specific needs and preferences, but any of these models would make a valuable addition to your crafting toolkit.